We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. We release these two screws. We remove the back cover. We release the screws from the top of the device. We remove the plastic protection from the top of the device. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. Using a plastic tool, let's remove the battery. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.